Hi, Tony Lockhart here, and I'm repairing some kiln shelves. So during a recent firing, I had too long of a hold, and unfortunately the glaze ran. These kiln shelves are a little bit beat up and chipped, so I think it's about time for a quick repair. When you do this type of work, there's a ton of dust that gets kicked up, so I would recommend wearing a respirator and having lots of good ventilation. As you can see, I'm outside of my backyard, so I'm really not that worried about the dust getting trapped in an enclosed space. When doing this type of work, I like to use a piece of carborundum. It's a really strong material and it does a good job of knocking off all of that dried up kiln wash. So in this next clip I have 4 areas to clean up, and I'm going to go and wear some gloves because it's going to be a lot safer. The glass just starts to fly everywhere when you start to scrape away, and you have thick layers of it on top of your shelves. Try to be careful. I like to change the direction in which I'm standing so I have more leverage over what I'm doing. And it's really helpful to me to use a rolling cart as opposed to a table because I can walk around the cart. Okay, so I'm back in the studio now and it's time to apply some fresh kiln wash to the shelves. I've had better results by using a foam brush because it doesn't leave any bristle marks and it keeps everything relatively plainer. I like to apply 2 separate coats of kiln wash and I let them dry in between. I also go in perpendicular directions to each other and get a nice application. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video.